Next up here we have our 360 cart, and with this here customers were coming up to us and they wanted something durable and strong but not big and still be able to get in tight corners and that. So we came up with this design, and it has helped them in the garden centers, also in the nurseries, where they can go out to their greenhouse, load it up with product, bring it back out to their display. And then even so, the shelves again are from our standard shipping racks that fit into it. And if you want to use it as a display look, you can take these handles out, put 4 of the taller posts in, add more shelves, and you can use it as a display look yet too. And underneath here, it has forklift guides on it. And the length of it there is enough so that you can come, lift it up, and put it in the back of a pickup truck. So the shelf that's on here is from a 22 59-inch cart. And so you can see the slots here. There's 6 adjustments that you can do with the 2-inch dimension on adjusting it if you want. So when this gets shipped out to you, it's also box shipped, and same thing, the 8-inch wheels on the front and back there, they just come with 4 bolts and nuts to put on the swivel ends. The rigid ones, the 15-inch middle ones, they just slide on, washer, cotter pin, and then the push handles, they just drop in, hook the shelf in, and you're ready to go.